Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Little Nightmares 3 gamepad or controller not working error. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PC once. So for that, go to the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. This will restart your system. After restarting, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. For that, first you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search over here, search for device manager. Now go below expand human interface devices. Here select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. Click on it and this will check if any update is available, and after updating your driver, now check if the controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, then here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check if the gamepad is working or not. If not, again come back and here you have to select disable Steam input and then check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. After verifying the game files, now check if controller is working or not. Next method is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it is working or not. So where you can see the play button, here you can see update option if any update is there. After updating your game, check if the problem is fixed. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates option. Now here you can see check for updates option, click on it and this will check if any update is available for your Windows. After updating Windows, then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your controller will be added. Simply click on three dot icon and then click on the remove device. This will remove the controller from your system. After that, restart your PC. Once restart, again come back and here click on add device and add your controller over here, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next method is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, now click on here, enter big picture mode option. Now once done, click on the game and try to play it. If it's launching, then well and good. Simply click on Steam option over here, then click on power, then click on exit big picture mode. So after this, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser, or you can also search for DS4 Windows tool on your browser. And after the link opens, download and install the tool. After that, connect your controller and update it, and once done, launch Nightmares 3 and then check for the error. So go to your browser. Now after the website opens, click on download option over here, and after that go below and select it, select the link, and from here you can easily download the DS4 Windows tool. After downloading it, install it, and after installing, connect your controller and update it. Then launch and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video.